In this lecture, we look into two more forms in adjectives: continuative form, 連用形, and attributive form, 連体形. This pair of names clearly related to the early discussion on substantive 体言 and declinable 用言. It is 連用 literally means to connect to 用言, declinable indicates the form to use with the verbs, another adjectives or a helper verb. And then 連体 attributive literally means to connect to a 体言 substantive, indicates the form to work with a noun. Needless to say, this way of naming and the concept behind this structure equally apply to a verb and to a helper verb. Here is a chart to indicate the two forms for adjectives in its two types. One may realize that there are two different shapes used in these two forms. Ku, kari, shiku, shikari in continuative form, and ki, karu, shiki, shikaru in attributive form. In the real writing, these two shapes were used in a manner of interchangeable. There was no significant difference between them. It could be pointed out that the conjugation kari karu is resulted from a combination of an adjective in its ku form plus ari. That's ku ari was developed into kari. In another word, the conjugation kari karu reflects that of the verb ari, the irregular verb discussed in an early lecture. Furthermore, the imperfective form for adjective kala and the imperative form meleke kale both have the same origin. Here are a few examples from the first type of adjectives while work with the て. 赤くて、赤かりて、明るくて、明るかりて、多くて、多かりて、おぼつかなくて、おぼつかなかりて、のどけくて、のどけかりて、短くて、短かりて. Then examples from the second type of adjectives. 新しくて、新しかりて、恋しくて、恋しかりて、難しくて、難しかりて、虚しくて、虚しかりて、珍しくて、珍しかりて、惜しくて、惜しかりて. Examples from the first type of adjectives while work with a noun. 赤きこと、赤かること、明るきこと、明るかること、大きこと、大かること、おぼつかなきこと、おぼつかなかること、のどけきこと、のどけかること、短きこと、短かること. Then examples from the second type of adjectives. 新しきこと、新しかること、恋しきこと、恋しかること、難しきこと、難しかること、虚しきこと、虚しかること、珍しきこと、珍しかること、惜しきこと、惜しかること. There are two related drills from Kobun Online. Change an adjective to work with the declinable. Change an adjective to work with a noun. See you at the next lecture.